Hey everyone, welcome back. So finally, Microsoft has signaled that the Windows 11 26H2 update will arrive later this year as the next major annual release, and I have already been testing it throughout the Insider program. And trust me, it's shaping up to be one of the Windows 11 most meaningful update, largely because of the taskbar, start menu, and the improvement in the file explorer. And if you read one of their blog, a commitment to Windows quality, they have mentioned that what exactly they are going to include and add in this newer update, like more taskbar customization, including the vertical and top position that really impressed most of the user, integrating AI where it's most meaningful with craft and focus, reducing disruption from Windows update, faster and more dependable file explorer, more control over widgets and feed experience, a simpler, more transparent Windows Insider program, and many more things that you can have a look here and you can read. And today in this video, I'm going to show you that how exactly you can download Windows 11 26H2 ISO, how you can install it on a virtual machine, and I will be showing all the major features that really impressed me, and I'm sure it will be impressing you as well. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. So to download the ISO, bring up any of your browser and you will have to search for Windows 11 Insider ISO. Then you need to click on this first website, download Windows 11 Insider Preview. And then here you have to log in with any of Microsoft account like Outlook or Hotmail. If you don't have any, you can create one, sign in, and after signing, you will be getting this kind of page. And here you have to scroll down in the select edition. Basically, you won't find any edition by the name 26H2, you will find 26H1, but if you look above the 26H1, you will find experimental build 26300893 25H2, and this is basically the 26H2 version. Options, so we don't have to go with the Home China Enterprise, so you need to go with the second one, that is experimental build 26300893 25H2. Click on it. Choose your desired language, click on next, click on 64-bit download, and the downloading will be started, and it's around 7.9 gigabytes, so it may take some time. I've already downloaded. Now I will be installing this on a virtual machine to see all kind of features and in order to test it, and even I would recommend you, as of now this is not a stable version, so do not download this on your real computer. You can test it on a virtual machine or any of your secondary device. So let me quickly configure this on my VMware. And once we start the installation, the options are almost the same. So let me go through with it and let me install it. And after the installation, you will be coming to this kind of Windows 11 page. On the right hand corner, you can see it's Windows 11 Pro Insider Preview build. And if I check the version, so I will type here WinVer and hit the enter key. So it's Windows 11 version 26H2 OS build, the Windows 11 Pro Insider Preview operating system. Alright, so now let me quickly show you all the features that are being added here, the major features. So first, if I bring up the settings, and then from the left hand side, if I click on personalization, and then if I scroll down to the taskbar and click on it, and here if you scroll down, so in the taskbar behavior, boom, you can see a new option here by the name taskbar position. Earlier it used to be starting from the taskbar icon alignment, that basically where you can take the taskbar to the left or the center. You can change the position of the taskbar, so as of now it's been selected to bottom, and if I take it to the top, I can take it to the left, then on the right. Alright, so wherever you want to take, you can take it. And it really looks good. I mean, I'm impressed. Most of the Windows users were demanding this feature from a long time, and finally it seems like Microsoft has listened to their user. Now not only this, below that you also get an option of taskbar size, so this is another change. And on the right side you can see the default, and you can see a small section. If you want to make the taskbar smaller, so you can click on small, and yes, it's working. So you can see the taskbar is now being in a small size. Let me bring it to the bottom so that you can easily check, and you can see it looks good. And at least the user will have an option that they want to keep it to default, the normal size, or they want to go with a smaller one. Another change that you may find the taskbar only will be the Copilot Ask option. Now on my build, on my operating system, this option is not being highlighted. I can show you an image here. So in the taskbar item, you will be getting Copilot Ask, and if you enable it, so basically what will happen, the next time when you click on Windows search, it will say Ask Copilot, and you can do any kind of searching of your local file or application using the Copilot also. That is also being enhanced. As of now, I don't see that option, so probably it should work perfectly according to the Microsoft. And now next, after the taskbar, if I go back and come to the start section, so here also you will find two different options that has been added. The first one is the all. So it says show all installed application and system component in start, and probably it should be enable. And what happened when you click on the start icon? So it shows you all the installed application list here. But if you don't want it, if you want to make more neat and clean, then now you can disable it from here. And now if I check it, so it's gone. Then you also get start menu size. So now you can also change the size of the start menu. As of now, it says it's been selected to small. But if I make it to large, and this time if I click on the start menu, let me minimize it. So here we go. So now you can see it's been extended. The size has been increased. And this will of course become an option for many of the users depending on their requirement. They can keep the start menu smaller or the bigger one. Now personally, I like the smaller one only, so I will keep that to smaller. Alright, now next after the start menu, if I come to the accessibility option, so here also you will find many options are being added, and first one is under the mouse pointer and touch, and if I click on it, so here you will find a new option by the name pointer indicator. So earlier till 25H2 you only find the option of mouse indicator, but now you will also get the pointer indicator. So this is only for finding out your mouse, but it's now coming with the crosshair effect. And let me show you if I enable it. So you can see we can now locate the mouse with the crosshair effect, and even you can change the color. So whichever color you want to keep, you can keep it. Looks interesting, and seems like now we have plenty of options in the Windows 11 26H2. And after this, if I come back, so you will find a new option by the name screen tint, and it says add a subtle color overlay to make your screen more comfortable to view. And if I click on it, you can read all the detail. Turning on screen tint will disable color filter. If you use color filter frequently, you may need to keep screen tint off. Now let's see what exactly this is. Now if I enable it, so you will see some kind of color has been appeared, and I believe this is only for the user who need any kind of color theme on their Windows 11 desktop. Like if they like the greenish color on their screen, they can do that. The gray color, the warm light color, yellowish, the pinkish, reddish, even you can view color, and whichever you want to keep, you can keep it. So this seems like for the user who need any kind of color. But if you do any kind of color filtering work like video editing, then probably this feature is not for you and you have to keep this option disabled. But yes, this option also has been added. And now let's come to the privacy and security. Now it seems like on my side it has not been updated, but probably in the 26H2 the location camera mic option you will see on the top, on the right hand top. And in the your info, the custom dictionary option has been also added. Custom inking and typing dictionary. Now another feature that I really liked in the Windows 11 26H2 is the run box. So far, if you press the Windows and R key on your keyboard, you get this kind of traditional run box that I am getting from a long time. But now they have improved it, they have modified it. And if you want to view the new run box, then you will have to again bring up the settings. Go to system. Then you have to look for advanced. Click on it. And here in the advanced, you will be getting a new option by the name run dialog, and you can easily enable it from here. Once enable, this time if I close it and reopen it, boom, now you can see the new run box over here. It looks pretty. Type the name of the command to run. However, it seems like I cannot drag this to other part of the desktop, but yes, still it looks good to me. And another change in Windows 11 26H2 is the new donut style loader replacing the legacy dot indicator. And this will be working while restarting, while shutting down, while signing out, or even during the Windows update. So till now, when you shut down or restart the computer, you used to get this loading circle with a dotted effect, but now you will be not getting that dotted effect. So let me show you. If I just go ahead and restart the computer, so here you can see instead of this dotted one, now it's coming with a liner effect. Basically, this is the donut style loader, and this effect you will be coming again when the computer will be loading up. So there are many more changes expected to be coming in the Windows 11 26H2 version. One thing that I can mention as well, that you will be getting a new option of the cloud rebuild. So if you come to the advanced option from the login page, or even if you come from the settings recovery, so in the advanced option in the troubleshoot, you will be getting the cloud rebuild. So basically this feature has been added for the user who want to fresh install the Windows 11 again without using any kind of ISO, without using any kind of bootable USB. So they can basically use this new feature which will be reinstalling the Windows, fresh Windows using the cloud. The only drawback is this will not be keeping any of your file, setting or application, and it will be removing everything, resulting installing with a fresh copy of Windows. Alright, so that's all guys for today, and hopefully you might be impressed now with all these features. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.